Here we are, everyone. Here we are with our cream of chicken ramen noodle soup. You all, this turned out to be so beautiful. Look at that. I really wish you could taste this. You know what we always say here? Let's cook with these. All right, come on and try this with me. You ready? All right, let's go. Peace and love. Here are a few of the ingredients that we're going to use in our cream of chicken ramen noodle soup. We're going to use half and half chicken broth, cream of chicken soup, Maggi pollo, our ramen noodles. We're going to have celery, chicken, and green onion. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, everyone, I wanted to show you that our chicken broth has come to a boil. I used the whole container and I put 1 cup of water. So let's go ahead and put our noodles in the water. I'm sorry, in the water in the broth. We're going to let that boil for 3 minutes. I will not be using the flavor packets. However, I will be using Maggi pollo, which is chicken broth. And you season this to your liking. But be a little careful because it's kind of salty. But we'll come back and we'll check it when it is ready. Let's go ahead and add our cream of chicken soup. Get all of it in there. We really have to come up with something so all of our friends can smell everything, because it smells incredible already. So far, all we have: a cup of water, a container of chicken broth, our Maggi pollo, and our ramen noodles. So let's let this all come together, and I will be back. I hope you're enjoying this. Let's go ahead and add some cream. This will make it nice and creamy. Stir this up somewhat. It's beautiful. Okay, let's add some celery. Our green onion. And chicken. I'm doing it gradually so we can just see what we have here. So I'm gonna let this, it's beautiful. Let this boil a little more, and then I'll show you what we have in a little bit. I tasted it. I think it needs a little celery salt, just like a dab. All right, I didn't want to leave that out. I wanted to make sure you saw that. This didn't take long at all. It's now ready to be plated, and I will see you back here. Hey, you all, welcome. Our new friends. You know we always have a good time following each other and supporting each other. Hey, thank you for hanging in there with me, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation. All right, I'll be right back.